Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki и VITARA. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage navigation. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and then enter navigation. Now, you can set destination, select from favorites, history, trips, or navigate to it manually. You can also zoom map in, out, manage points of interest, and display map. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.